The U.S. Department of Defense, DoD, has awarded a contract worth $103.7 million to American aerospace giant Boeing for the supply and delivery of AH-6i light attack helicopters. These helicopters are earmarked for the Royal Thai Army, RDA, which requested 8 units under a U.S. Foreign Military Sales, FMS, program. Works will be performed in Mason, Arizona, and is expected to be completed by May 30, 2025. In 2019, the U.S. State Department approved the sale of 8 AH-6i helicopters to Thailand, which will replace the RTA's fleet of 7 Bell AH-1F Cobra attack helicopters. Also requested were AGM-114R Hellfire missiles and M299 Hellfire launchers, M260 rocket launchers, and the Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System, APKT, guided rockets. The AH-6i is described by Boeing as a highly capable light attack and reconnaissance helicopter specifically designed with superior performance characteristics and flexible, easily configurable mission equipment ideal for light attack, precision attack, anti-armor, close combat attack, reconnaissance, security, and escort, troop insertion and extraction, and combat search and rescue. It is based on the MD-500 family of light military helicopters, with improvements in overall performance and capability.